Hi, I'm Dr. Ujjwal Vishwa from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, IIT Bhagalpur, Bhagalpur, Bihar, India. I'm presenting my paper on FRCD Fisher Ready Career Dark, a machine learning driven career guidance for students. And with me, our co-authors are Priyanshu Paritosh and Vedan Jadhav and Mr. Dev Gupta. All are third year student at the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, IIT Bhagalpur. The content of my presentation is as follows. We will introduce the problems, then the key related research, and we will observe also these challenges and objective of the proposed solution and the details framework. And with the continuation also, we will discuss this result, conclusion, and future work for the problems. Now, nowadays, this is very important for career science. So, as for secondary student, because at that stage, there is a problem of knowledge gap for selecting this career part. And also, this career skill misalignment impact also there is socio-economic outcomes and job satisfaction due to the reason, not due to the fact that sometimes students are misguided and also they don't get this interest. And also for career guidance, it is obvious that some intelligent system or some prediction mechanism should be there to propose a new framework for the for enabling this evidence-based evolution of this career trajectories. And also we observe that this performance-based predictive model is very important for career decision. Because of that, career path choosing is very vital for a students at least at the age of this school class 10 standard. Now these are the related to works. This first one is related to this ML based intelligent real time feedback system for blended classroom. It's in this environment also we observe that this in educational system the feedback system is very vital, and it improves this quality of teaching learning as well. So for further studies, we observe that this second work talks about this examining this link between this career development and academic motivation. There is a relation which career development positively correlated with the academic motivation and self-efficacy. So further study in study three, these are directly related with this topic, and it's basically this career decisions framework. In this making process and the challenges, focusing on improving decision making quality. These are the aspect. In this aspect, we observe that mostly these AI driven approach and machine learning approach are now becoming more popular for selecting this career path, as because of the reason is that career path is a vital and it brings the satisfaction of the student as well as economic satisfaction as well. So our research, we observed that these are the basic challenges for matriculation and this high performance prediction and precision model proposed, and balancing this model and complexity versus interpretation of that, and also mitigating this historical bias of recommendation algorithms. And now these are the summary. We have these four categories, major categories of this contribution. We have built this FRCD framework, and we address the learning challenges for secondary student, and we also integrate this academic and as well as this cognitive metrics for optimum career matching, as well as this minimizing this skill misalignment to the enhance of occupational outcomes. Uh, this is our framework we proposed, and this is very generic. And this left side is always a simple one. It is already in any predictive models which are follows this standard mechanism. But here the twist here is this academic results according to this aptitude and reasoning, and also sometimes interest are used to extend this proposed framework. Now, this based on this data we have partitioned it, and also we have refined this model based on that predicting and predict this career predictions. So we have collected these kinds of data, we have only two categories. One is this marks, another one is this reasoning based marking. So for any case, this reason marks are out of 100 and these reasoning based are within a 10 marks. So these are the basic categories, 10 categories and 10 columns in the database. And also it is 599 rows in the database, and we have shown this normalization technique for this distribution of the standardization features, so that it will predict accurately for improving this accuracy. And also this PR plot histogram and control plot is plotted for the performance and their relationships with the matrix. For this diagonal indicates this histogram, and this below of this diagonal indicates this contour plot, and these are the distribution of the matrix. This is very similar with another matrix, which is called this reasoning matrix. So reasoning matrix, and we have combined both, and we have modeled this into our predictive models, and we have used very classic models and very basic models initially, and also we have tested at least one advanced level of models, which is XGBoost, and which is further is performing better in our cases. And also we measure this precision recall and score F1 score for further analysis of this data. And also we have classified these into three classes: arts, commerce, and engineering. And medical, this is the four classes. We have predicted student visa directions, and we have observed that at least close to 88 or 90% accuracies. And now, this in conclusion, this data-driven methodology of optimize career guidance is very helpful, and it can be enhance educational outcomes by personalized recommendation, and also it will align with the performance and also reasoning ability encourage maybe that will be adopted and adopted across diverse educational contexts like college and class 12 students. So there are the various areas where we can improve. Now, in future, it is very important. We have observed that the data set is vital, and if you misalign with this career guidance, that affects the socio effect and as well as this job satisfaction. So, extension to this application is a very vast, and collecting data is important. Or implementation of this bias mitigation strategies is very important, or also this optimization of these prediction accuracies, because we observe that we have close to this 93 and above average accuracy, so it is required to improve our models. So we have not discussed here the data set in details. Because of that reason, we are planning to extend this and how we collected these sets. And now these are the list of references, and thank you. Any questions from the audience?